So as I've gotten older, I've really tried to prioritize my skincare routine. And that's why having a good eye cream is kind of key. So this Avène Retrinal Eyes Advanced 3-in-1 eye cream was gifted me from the brand. It was always that would give me asked for you. So what I really love too about this is this has some really great ingredients. This has Retinaldehyde, which is a physician strength Retinaldehyde, more powerful than retinol, and really will kind of be comfortable to use on the skin. As you can see too, I don't know what, retinol has always seemed to be like this yellowy color to me. And the other thing too is in an opaque bottle, which is pretty important for skincare because light will degrade any of those good properties. This also has hyaluronic acid, which will, in combination with hyaluronic acid, which help with skin hydration and elasticity. This also has dextrin, which sulfate, which will reduce the appearance of circles and puffiness. So my favorite way too is I just put a little bit on like my middle finger or ring finger, and then I just like to spread it underneath the eye just to give it everything I need, and use this time to kind of massage it in. And I find that it really kind of like helps kind of hydrate and smooth those fine lines and wrinkles and kind of depuffs. So if you're looking for a good eye cream, this is definitely the one you need to check out.